Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the question answer of two homeworks given to you related to chapter number 2, land resources, that is natural resources, land, soil and water. So I welcome you all in today's online class. Today we'll discuss about two homeworks question answer, how to write, and I have already prepared the answer. You have to just follow and you have to check your answer. If you find out any type of mistake, your duty to rectify it. So let's begin with the first one. So what is the first question given? That name some states where land is degraded by the following causes. So what are the causes given in this column number 1? Mining, overgrazing, over-irrigation, deforestation. So due to mining, which states are affected? That is Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. And we know that how mining can cause the land degradation, because when we are digging the land, that means what, we are hitting the land, and that's why land is degraded. So many that is holes are created, so many types of breaking of the structures of the land, that's why land is degraded. So mining is also responsible for the land degradation. Which states? 3 states names are given: Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Next cause is overgrazing. That means due to the footstep of the animals when they are eating the grasses on the pasture land, on the grassland, at that time also the land is degraded due to the footsteps of the animals. And who are they? Which states are affected by this cause? Mainly that is Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Next, over irrigation due to the that is extra supply of that is water for the irrigation, which is not required but it is supplied, and due to this thing also land is degraded. And that type of problem is faced by which states? Mainly that the states where green revolution was started, and the states are Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Next, deforestation due to the cutting down of trees, reckless cutting down of trees. Who are they? Jharkhand due to mining, that type of activity. Chhattisgarh due to mining, deforestation occurred, because when we want to take out the mineral from the lithosphere, then we have to at first clear the forest. If it is coming under forested, you have to clear the forest, we have to cut the trees, then we can do the mining. That's why mining is responsible for deforestation, and deforestation is responsible for land degradation. So which 3 states? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. In this diagram, question number B, that you have to draw this pie chart. Here 3 colors are given. One that is light yellow color, another is violet color, another is red color, dark deep red color. So you have to draw this pie chart, and then you have to write down the answer of these 2 questions. What are the 2 questions given? Which color indicates the plain land? Here plain land, that is blue color, that means you can say it is violet color also. And next, that is plateau, that is yellow color, and mountain, that is dark red color. Next, what is the percentage of India's total area is covered by plain, plateau and mountain? That means total area of India, that is 3.28 million square kilometer, and this 3.28 million square kilometer is equal to 100%. Within this 100%, dash percent is going for plain land, dash percent is going for plateau, dash percent is going for mountain. This thing you have to find out. So plain land is equal to 43%, plateau is equal to 27%, mountain is equal to 30%. And from this data you can easily understand why India is mainly dependent on agricultural activity. Why? That agriculture is the most important economic activity. It is the base of our country's economy, because due to the availability of plain land, 43% area is coming under plain land. Plain land is suitable for crop cultivation, it has fertile soil. That's why the India is coming under, that is that type of economic activity. India's economic activity is mainly based on agricultural activity or farming. Question number C, we know that 33% area must be covered under forest. So that is our calculation, that if there will be 33% out of 100, 33% area if it is covered by forest, then we will not face any type of pollution, we will not face any type of global warming or environmental issues. But India has only 22.78%. that means we are short, we are lagging. we are short of that is the criteria 33%. And now the question, why land under forest is less than the targeted area is 33 and we have 22.78. why is it less than the targeted? First of all, deforestation, because we know we are greedy, and when we are greedy we are thinking that we need more and more, and due to this greedy nature we are making three mistakes. Already we discussed in chapter 1: misuse, overuse and exploitation. That's why the first thing, that is deforestation. And next, that is mining, due to the mining activities, due to the overgrazing. Fourth number, lack of awareness about the importance of trees. This is also, we don't know that what a tree can do and what is the importance in our life. Next, greedy nature, I have already told. Next, what are the bad impacts of this less percentage of forest land? What are the bad impacts of this less percentage of forest land? So if your target area 33, you have 22.78, that means some problems you have to face because you cannot achieve the target. So what type of problem? Ecological balance gets disturbed, because forest means there are plants present, and also forest provides shelter to the animals. So that means what? That means flora, fauna, both are living there. And also forest, that means trees help in the, that is rainfall, help also in the maintaining of balance of, that is gases like oxygen, like carbon dioxide. That means what? Ecological balance gets disturbed. Second, that is more soil erosion, because if there will be less tree cover, less forest cover, then the soil erosion rate will be more, because the roots of the trees hold the soil, make it compact, that is protect it from the erosion. Third number, more pollution, because we know that trees are called as natural sponge. That means it absorbs the harmful gases and it protects us from these harmful gases. But if trees number is less, that means more pollution, and also global warming, increase in the world's temperature. That is also the problem. So this is the first homework that we have already, you have already seen. I will attach the PDF file also. You will check this PDF file and you will do your work. Now come to the second homework, that is also from chapter number 2, but these are different type of question. The first question is, what do you think, why is it happening? This thing you have to find out. What are you thinking and why this type of thing is happening? So what is the first situation? Why is land under forest decreasing day by day? The first answer is point number 1 is deforestation. Second number, mining. These things already we discussed. Overgrazing and constructional activities. So due to the cutting down of trees, reckless cutting down of trees, due to the mining activities also we have to cut the trees, due to the overgrazing also, and constructional activities. When we are constructing roads, railways, when we are constructing buildings, dams, at that time also we have to cut the trees. Next question, why is the land under crop cultivation is decreasing day by day? Land under crop cultivation is decreasing day by day. That means cultivated area is also decreasing. Here also same type of points you have to write down. Constructional activities, that means cultivated lands are captured and buildings are that is buildings, industries are set up. Development of cities and towns, industrial development, mining, these are the things. What do you mean by that is landslide? Landslide means, landslide is defined as the movement of a mass of rock, debris down a slope. That means I can give you one example here. If you wish to that is experience the mountainous region like Himalayan mountain region, it may be Sikkim, it may be that is Ladakh, it may be Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. If you want to experience this Himalayas in the rainy season, at that time you will see that at some places the rock, the debris that is coming from top of the mountain to down slope, according to the slope, this is called as what? Landslide. It is mainly caused by earthquake, it may be heavy rainfall, it may be wrong constructional activities. That means it may be caused by nature, it may be caused by human mistakes. Wrong constructional activities on mountains, taking out of minerals, etc. Next question, why is the irrigated land area increasing day by day? That means the land under cultivation, that is decreasing, but the land under cultivation with irrigation facility. That means supply of water by collecting the groundwater or by collecting the water from the river, that is called as irrigation. Why? Because first point, population explosion and increase in demand of food. That population number is increasing and that's why demand is increasing. And how to fulfill this huge demand? That we have to do the crop cultivation for more than one time, and when we want to do more than one time crop cultivation, that means we need the rain water plus the irrigation facility, because in our country rainy season is confined to 3 months or 4 months. So that starts from the June middle to maximum it goes up to, that is September middle. That means what, these months at that time we are getting the rainfall, but other months remain dry, and that time if we want to do crop cultivation we need the irrigation facility. That is next, that is more than one time crop cultivation, that I have told, because we have more demand, we have so many types of that is a need of food, we need variety in the menu. That's why we have to cultivate crop more than one time. There are mainly 3 times crops cultivated, that is Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. In agriculture chapter we will discuss in detail. Next, cultivation of HYV seeds, high yield variety seeds. These seeds require more water because these seeds provide more growth, more production. That's why this type of seeds require, that is what, irrigation facility. And irregularity in the arrival of monsoon wind. That means what, our country's main rainfall, the rainfall mainly occurs by whom? Monsoon wind. I have already told, from June middle to September middle, that is the time when monsoon season come, or that means rainy season starts. But sometimes you will see that monsoon wind arrive at the right time. That means when I told that is arrival time is June middle, but sometimes you will see it is late, sometimes you will see that is before the time. So that means what, there is no exact time that at that time or in this period it will come and it will help in our agricultural activity. There is no certain information, there is no confirmation. So that's why also if it is late, that time we need the irrigation facility. Why is the land under construction activities increasing day by day? Here also population explosion, because people number is increasing, so demand for houses, demand for factories, demand for other things are also increasing. That's why construction activities are going on. Varieties of needs, our needs are different, our lifestyle has changed. Now we are asking not only needs, that is clothes, shelter and food, but also we are asking for other things which are not like a needy person, like a greedy person. Next, that is economic development. Economic condition is developing, economic activities are changing, that's why also. And development of cities and towns. So this is, so these are the questions and answers. Now I am providing the PDF file, your duty to write down and your duty to check and rectify them. So thank you, and thank you. Have a great day.